Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. 2016 Kia Sedona. This one is going to get front brake service. I'm going to inspect the rear. I already know that's going to get the rotors replaced because they're ground all to you know what, and so without further ado, let's get started. I've done racked it is all I did. So go ahead and lift her up. I'm a bit on the busy side, so I'm going to try to do this with as little interruption as possible. 21. I'm not even going to try the resurface. I know that's going to be out of spec. We'll just replace both of them and that'll be that. I know we got a lot of brake videos, but I don't have one of these on my channel. Quite frankly, I don't recall ever doing any brakes on a Kia Sedona. That one is not too bad. That one over there is laid up. Already know that. Replacing one. So, in a nutshell, replacing one of these here, one rotor, cutting that one is going to be more expensive than the brake kit. I'm going to get the brake kit and we'll replace the rotors and pads that come in the brake kit and go from there. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Take a guess at a 13. That's a 14. Wrong right off the bat. Okay. 14, 17. Pause that camera up real quick and get the tools together. Okay, so hopefully that, I was about to say hopefully the light don't interfere. Hang on. Let's try this for a minute. We'll see if this works. That's just an angle from the back side. Okay, this one we're going to have to hang. Can't leave that one hanging on the hoses. That is a casting, so that will definitely ruin, or could potentially ruin a hose. We're not even going to try to find out if it does or doesn't. Where's my hanger at? No, I misplaced my hangers again. Imagine that. Oh, hardware, of course, comes off. There's no screws in this one, and I'll remove screws. Guarantee you it's not lubricated. Nope. So I'm gonna let you look at this real quick. I'm gonna look at that. Alright, let me get a pointing device right here. The silver area and that silver area right here. That is the only contact area on this rotor. Although that rotor is cut straight here, machine straight, there is a relief cut into here. But regardless of the relief, we're still going to clean that up and do what we got to do to make it right for the customer, and we will put lubrication on it, so next time it's not going to be like that. Let me get the camera back up, and we'll go over here on this side here, see if we can get that figured out. Alright, so where was I? They just delivered the parts. So only thing I could get is the Import Direct pads that I've been using. I guess I've talked about that enough. Pause you back up, get my cleaning apparatus. I'm gonna flip screen. That, ladies and gentlemen, is about as good as it's going to get. I'm going to give it a toot. This fluid film, not a sponsor, not even in a long shot. Ideally, you could put the screws back on. If you had any, that is. I think I showed that in previous videos. What I do, big nut. It's not as aggravating if you have it held in. It can get a little bit more aggravating when you don't have it held in, so there you go. That's less stress. All right. So again, same procedure as I always do. Get over here to the vise. Check the lube. Make sure that's nice and free. Same here, check your lube. It's elastic. I'm going to call it elastic. Make sure your boot is not broken. Don't have any cracks or anything like that in it. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Those are not cracks. Those are, I'm just going to call it a casting mark. So, I'm just going to use a hand wire brush on that one. should be sufficient. Okay, this is one of them. That one has certainly got enough rust on it already to pinch the hardware. So even though this hardware here is coated, it's still going to have something on the bottom to where it doesn't rust like that anymore. I don't like it rusting. I don't want it to rust. Coat her up pretty good. This crap here is getting way old. It's cold one day, then hot the next. About 86 degrees out there right now. So, I don't know which side the, well, you see me take it off, so I guess I'll leave it right there. These didn't have any kind of thread locker on it. Click, click. Squealer, inboard. Here's our little compression tool. Oh, I'm gonna go back a little bit so you can get a better, whoops, something about that. Get a better view of this. Get my part back over here. This one should always be really easy. It shouldn't be hard to push them in at all. If that's hard in any kind of way, you might want to consider checking that out. That was very easy to do. I gotta be careful not to drop. Not to drop it. That's what I was going to say. Probably not a good idea to leave it laying like that, but I'm going to. I really don't like leaving. Okay, these here are not phenolic pistons, these are metal pistons, and actually the back side of this is really shiny. I'm sure they're coated. I'm just going to put a light coat. I don't want this too heavy. I really think there's no need in having a really heavy coat on it. I'm just going to smudge a little bit on here. Like I said, I do think these are coated or chromed, whatever. I don't think it needs it, but put a little bit something on it anyway. I guess, as they say, for good measure. Hoses. I see it all the time. People have done their brakes and they kink hoses. They have them twisted, got little pigtails in them. You know, kind of pay mind to all that. I put the torque spec in the video, if I remember. Click. So there you have it. Of course, repeat on the other side. Easy enough on this vehicle. Like I said, the only reason I opted to make the brake video like the 100 that I already got is because I've not done one of them. I've not had one of these vans in here. Generally, you don't find these in this area. The more of the Chrysler vans than anything, really. Might want to get your hanger back out too, if you got one. That'd be a good idea. Probably wouldn't look good inside the tire. So, ladies and gentlemen, appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Leave your comments. Tell me what you would have done different, if anything. So, there it is. We'll see you on the next one.